Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make your own small cactus in a pot. First off, you need a pot with a hole in it, some Akadama bonsai soil, and a cactus leaf, or also called nopal, which has already rooted. You can easily get those cactus leaves from grown plants like these or from the gardening store. Put it in a glass of water with the tip submerged for about a month. For this video though, I'm gonna use another one which I've planted in the soil. The reason why it'll be very easy to take care of your cactus is because Akadama soil drains very easily while retaining enough moisture. This means that it is impossible to kill your plant by watering it too much. Use a chopstick to fill air bubbles. And that's how you can create your own cute little cactus. You'll know exactly when to water it thanks to the change of color of the soil. As you can see, the Akadama is now dark brown. Your new companion is perfect for your work desk. Water it nicely once a week and it will live on for a long time. Thanks for watching, and comment down below if this video motivated you creating one of your own.